Our company is Black Folks Camp 2. But if you look around, everybody ain't black. We do that on purpose, though, because they don't say Black Folks Camp only with just black folks. It says Black Folks Camp 2, and 2 means also and as well. And our job is to create unity in the outdoors, and that's the start of what we have done from the inception of our company, and we're gonna always be that way. We're gonna do this like a family. We're gonna get people to pitch in and help people get tents together and all that kind of good stuff. Don't be afraid and don't feel bad if you don't know what to do. We're gonna show you what to do. You're gonna have to go through something to get to something. I was an executive in the outdoor industry for 4 years, a successful executive. However, I had never been camping a day in my life before I became an executive in the outdoors. So my son continued to ask me, he said, "Dad, you say you're gonna take me to Mount Rushmore." So we traveled around the country. There was a family that was driving a huge RV bus. It was beautiful, $400,000 or $500,000 unit, amazing. And we had not seen any black folks. Since we had traveled, we had already gone to probably 20 campgrounds. We hadn't seen any black folks. There are millions of black folks who have never even thought about going camping because they don't have any knowledge, they have generational fear, and they've never been invited.
This is our first time out here camping.
We're super excited about camping. We've never camped before, so we're looking forward to the adventure.
We're extremely excited about today and having an opportunity to camp together as a family.
Looking forward to see what this weekend brings.
I'm excited to camp, play in the waterfalls, and take pictures.
I'm looking forward just to bonding with the family and, really experiencing nature in its true essence.
Our job is to get more black folks to camp and enjoy the outdoor lifestyle with any and everyone. We want them to see that they can go do this on their own, learn it, learn from other people who are experienced, more experienced, and get excited about doing it again.
The more people we can educate and empower to protect and preserve public lands, the better, right? Because we all own 640 million acres of public lands equally. So we should all step in, we should all get in the boat and row equally to protect and preserve those public lands. And then to go out and visit them together is a beautiful thing.
We're about to do something amazing. We're gonna go up and walk up there to where that U-Haul trailer is, and in that U-Haul trailer is all of your camping gear. All the gear that you're gonna put up is being provided by Academy Sports. We're all here to help you get this stuff done, so let's get chopping, baby. We got the bug net in front of the stairs. Just gonna put a little air in there. Just like that.
To me, I think invite is key, and it's the one thing that like the 90% of folks that are already out in the outdoors can really do to make people feel more welcomed and quite obviously more invited, right, by definition. I feel like doing it together, that's the key to making it a cohesive kind of like movement and like a gathering.
I want to introduce you guys, and I want you to give you an amazing, warm Black Folks Camp 2 round of applause for Mr. Rudy Currents.
So today, this is my first time camping, so I'm honored to be here. Thank you, Earl, for having me, for the invitation. So y'all, if it's all right, can I just do a little bit of it my way? Can I do that? Is that all right? Before I leave the song alone, y'all, I say, if I make you happy, then I can't be too bad. That's all I wanna do is put a smile on your face. All I wanna do is put a little soul in your step, yeah. I hear it gets cold up here in the mountain. I'm gonna leave it alone. But when it's cold I wanna keep you warm at night. I feel a remix, Earl.
I'm so happy that y'all are in the building today. Y'all hiked up some mighty mountains. Yeah. But y'all feel tired. But I feel
You're going to say that you're a group that want to conserve this land for everyone. You're gonna have to make sure that the very same folks who are afraid to be in the outdoors are at least they're invited. We have to get our children involved in the outdoors. Not just black children, but everyone in the outdoors, young folks, so they can actually care for these beautiful lands.
I want to give a shout out. Oh, no. And a shout out. And a shout out, yeah. Yeah. To my friends. Here we go. I say, I love Obos. Thank you.
Obos is located in Montana.
You gotta use it, man. It's an outdoor.
All that stuff is yours.
I love
you good? All right. The Unity Blaze represents everything about us. When you see this campfire, you know that that person treats everyone, everywhere equally. And if they treat everyone, everywhere equally, hopefully that conversation that you're gonna have with them is gonna be delightful.
As much as me and Earl would love to take the world out, we're somewhat limited to the amount of people that we can physically get out in a given year, right? We're kind of expanding, but even at that, we can't expand to take everybody out. So it's more important for us to teach everybody to take each other out.
This is our job. Our job is to make sure the Unity Blaze is the symbol that unites the outdoors.